In our fast-paced, often stressful world, finding moments of true relaxation and rejuvenation can feel like a distant dream. Restorative yoga offers a sanctuary, a practice dedicated to slowing down, supporting the body, and inviting deep rest. Unlike more active styles of yoga, restorative yoga focuses on passively holding poses for extended periods, allowing the body to release tension and the mind to quiet. This comprehensive guide will delve into the origins, philosophy, benefits, key poses, and practical tips for incorporating restorative yoga into your life. Restorative yoga is rooted in the teachings of B.K.S. Iyengar, a renowned yoga master known for his precision and use of props in asana practice. Iyengar recognized the profound healing potential of supported poses and developed restorative sequences to address specific ailments and promote overall well-being. His student, Judith Laster, further developed and popularized restorative yoga in the West, emphasizing its ability to calm the nervous system and facilitate deep relaxation. The core philosophy of restorative yoga centers around the concept of active relaxation. It's not about simply collapsing into a pose, but rather consciously using props to support the body in a way that minimizes effort and allows for complete surrender. This surrender allows the body's natural healing mechanisms to activate, promoting balance and restoring vital energy. By providing gentle support, restorative yoga coaxes the body out of the fight or flight response and into the rest and digest state, where healing and rejuvenation can occur. The benefits of restorative yoga extend far beyond simple relaxation. Regular practice can have a profound impact on both mental and physical health, reduces stress and anxiety. By activating the parasympathetic nervous system, restorative yoga lowers cortisol levels and promotes a sense of calm. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with chronic stress, anxiety, or insomnia. Improve sleep quality. The deep relaxation induced by restorative yoga can help regulate sleep cycles and improve sleep quality. Regular practice can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Eases muscle tension and pain. Supported poses allow muscles to relax and release tension, alleviating pain associated with conditions such as back pain, neck pain, and headaches. Lowers blood pressure and heart rate. Studies have shown that restorative yoga can help lower blood pressure and heart rate, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Boosts the immune system. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, restorative yoga can strengthen the immune system and enhance the body's ability to fight off illness. Restorative yoga is more than just a collection of poses, it's a pathway to deep relaxation, healing, and self-discovery. By incorporating this practice into your life, you can cultivate a greater sense of peace, balance, and well-being. Whether you are seeking relief from stress, pain, or emotional challenges, restorative yoga offers a gentle and supportive approach to restoring your mind and body.